Number 4. Care must be taken in any place when there is a reason to suppose that perhaps there is excrement or urine there. And one should not recite any sacred matters there until he inspects the area. Okay, so basically, if you you have little children and they run around, of course there is a big chance that they have something in their diapers, right? So, but if only adults and they can control themselves, they would not do like these crazy things. So there is no reason to suspect that. So you don't have to check, for example, in your house before praying or saying or learning that there is a filth. Okay. So commentary number 23, Shulchan Aruch, that when one is unsure if there is a standing urine in a room, presumably if he is unable to check for it, he may nevertheless pray, since the prohibition against the engaging in sacred matters when urine is present is only rabbinic of origin. So, and plus, as we said, if it does not smell, so he can rely on this leniency. Okay, so it says see below C of 10. Regarding the law of one prayed without inspecting the place, and it was found the excrement was present. So basically the question is, so we're not going to give answer, but the question is, maybe he has to pray again. Maybe that prayer does not count. Okay, even after the fact. Maybe, we'll see. We're finishing this and we finish. One should not pray on the ground level of the building if there is a place of filth in the upper story. And 24 says olive scythe portion. So basically, no. So no, wrong commentary. Sorry. The Mishnah Brura 151:41, the Shar Chatziyum, which says that the common practice is not to refrain from praying in these circumstances. So in the olden days, so even they have this restroom or like something like restroom, it would be on the ground floor, so the people would be forbidden to pray. So even today, when they build in these shuls in an apartment building, for example, or there is like a building, there is a like apartment where people live upstairs, so they try not to put Aaron Kodesh, right, when we keep the Torah, like under the when they have their bathroom.
So if there's a shul with apartments upstairs,
yes,
technically it can't be a shul, right? Like
no. The only for Aaron Kodesh, when we keep the Torah.
So right. So they can't have a Torah there,
No.
pretty much.
I apologize. They cannot have they cannot have Aaron Kodesh like underneath when their bathroom.
Yeah, but how can they tell? Like apartments are all
No. You always know. You can go. You ask them to see around. There are always blueprints. People don't move the bathrooms that easily.
Okay.
So just put wherever they have kitchen, wherever they have living room or dining room or whatever they have, but not only not bathroom.
Right.
That's a leniency. I mean.